Check out this beautiful home in Sandoval, Cape Coral's most highly sought-after gated community. This home is being offered turnkey. The Taylor Morrison Sable Palm floor plan provides 1,926 square feet of living space, 3 beds, 2 baths, a den, great room, dining room and 2-car garage. Crown molding accentuates the tray ceilings and the home is tiled throughout except for the master and guest bedrooms which have laminate wood floors. You will love the large kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite counters and plenty of cabinets. There is always something happening in Sandoval. There are many amenities including the huge resort-style community pool, clubhouse and fitness center. Relax by the Sandoval Lagoon Pool, play tennis, pickleball, bocce on the twin courts, shuffleboard, basketball, volleyball or make use of 2 dog parks. Call to schedule your private showing today.